What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry. I wish I could have shown you all 3 days in detail, but uh, day one तो पूछना ही मत भाई. मैं पहुंचा एयरपोर्ट पौने 1 का फ्लाइट इंडिगो आधा तो बस टर्मिनल लग रहा था. And then guess what? I've reached my hotel. And now the person who's done my bookings fucking what a booked me for the same dates for the next month. Right now I've just finished my shoot and come. I'm just giving you like a backstory of what happened. It was 5:45 when by the time I finished all that basad and got into my room. फिर उसके बाद भाई कैसे तो भी 2-2.5 घंटे की नींद मार के अधमरे हालत में मैंने शूट किया है. Didn't really have the energy or the time to shoot any BTS to show you what day one was like. Stay tuned and I will show you some good fun content. Cheers.
How come we all are wearing white today?
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, what the hell? Oh, we are twinning.
We all are wearing white, guys.
So today is day 2 and we are shooting videos. I'm at the Snitch store, just setting up. Just finished shooting my video over here at Snitch. This is the first video for the day. Hey guys, so we've just reached the second location and we have just broken for lunch. And I'll just quickly introduce you to everyone.
I've always wanted to hold this thing. By the way, hi, this is Anisha.
Hi guys, I'm Ruchita.
Hi, this is Naveen. Shut up. I do, other than sleep, I do everything. I'm a makeup artist.
क्या बोलना है? Hi guys, this is Ravi and I'll be shooting the video for Akash bro today.
Hey guys, Montu here. So it's a Snitch Plus day. Let's make it plus.
Hi guys, I am Chotu. Hi sir, Anil. Light assistant आए कैमरा assistant आए.
So just finished shooting the second video. Man, it's been quite the day. Been out since about I think about 8 a.m. And just quickly gonna go change into my third change, and this is something we're going to be shooting on the streets of Bangalore, close to MG Road. And yeah, I think I'll do about 2 more changes there, and then we're done for the day. But for now, I hope you guys have been enjoying this one. ऐसा करो. So we just wrapped up shoot day 2, and we got this really cool rickshaw to head back to the headquarters. Let me introduce you to the guy. Hang on one sec.
मोहम्मद सलमान है मेरा नाम.
And he has a cool rickshaw.
यस.
आपके रिक्शा में क्या क्या है?
टीवी है, साउंड बॉक्स है,
दिखता है क्या?
सब दिखता है भैया.
Nice. और पीछे पूरा साउंड सिस्टम है ना?
साउंड सिस्टम है, लाइट है.
Oh damn, let's go. चलो आप.
डेमो दिखा दो भैया.
Let's go.
Base test completed. Now close your eyes.
कैसा लग रहा है?
Mad rickshaw bro. ये अपने देसी रिक्शा थाईलैंड से कम नहीं है भाई लोग. We had a mad fun shoot day. I'm just like super excited for the output now. Stay tuned guys, because day 3 is coming up next. Checked out from Wonder Hotel. This is in Fraser Town. Thank you for the hospitality. Time to head to the studio. Today is day 3. Snitch, the headquarters is like 500 meters away from where I was staying. This is the terrace area. It's quite chill. They got a nice canteen, nice cafe here. And people just hang around, all of their staff and everything. And I love this sign here. This is the studio floor. This is Harsha Anna. He's doing all the lights. Here is the rest of the office and where I'm shooting.
Hi guys, I'm Sanjoli. I'm the stylist at Snitch, and here we are to shoot today.
Is it okay now? Yeah. I don't know to do that. Hi, I'm Amal. I'm shooting Akash today. So yeah, I hope we're gonna have a good time today.
Wrapped up day 3. It was super sick and yeah, fun shoot, man. People are cool at Snitch. The stuff is cool. They're doing some really great work. Many more shoots with them, hopefully. Fingers crossed. And I met the founder as well, Siddharth. Pretty cool, chill guy. Vlog's not yet done. We're still gonna go head out, meet a friend who's a DJ. Go to the hotel and we're just gonna go. And buddy, buddy तो vlog में आने वाला है ऐसा चड्डी में. Damn. So I just got to the room and by the way, let me introduce you to DJ Ayo, who is sorting his music. By the way, his name's Akshay. Hello. And he is mere bachpan ka dost. He's playing tonight at Bombay Adda in Bangalore. So yeah, we're gonna go kill it. This is bouncing now, heading to the club where Akshay is playing. So see you there, man. Just checked out of the hotel and heading to the airport now. This is my last day in Bangalore. For now, of course, I hope I come back here for many more shoots. I'm like super hungover because last night was just too late. Akshay here banged it last night, killed it hardcore. Akshay, how was your night? Tell us a little bit about it. मैं बाद में edit कर देगा तू बोल भी.
It was a rager one. It was like I was back here like after 10 years and I totally loved it. Hope to see you guys every month in Bangalore and of course with my buddy Super Sized.
Let's go, let's go. Buddy. Landed and
ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Pune International Airport.
listen to
We are pleased to announce
it was a
the
shit
scheduled
flight,
arrival of this flight. The
fucking
outside temperature is
turbulent,
30
गांड फटी थी, flight ऐसा
Please remain seated
ऐसा 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 क्या क्या हो रहा था फ्लाइट में बड़ी कैसा हो रहा था फ्लाइट ऐसा हाथ से दिखा कैसा
Hello, it's been a crazy few days. I had a lot of fun shooting. Man, shoots are always fun. It's like my most favorite thing to do. Being in front of the camera, you can see.
और माफ कीजिए फुल निकल रहा है
Okay, now. Forgot what I was going to say in the vlog. For the end. क्या बोलने का रे और? I'm just like super exhausted and tired. अरे इस पे भी गिर गया यार. One thing I want to tell you guys is for a long time since I was probably 18, I've been dealing with
What?
1 minute, guys. Yes. Since I was 18, I've been dealing with anxiety. It's mainly anticipatory. And I haven't traveled alone in the last 15 years. I mean, like, I recently started traveling short distances by cab and stuff, but I haven't taken a flight alone. This is going to be my first flight by myself. I'm pushing myself so that I can travel more, do more work, you know, reach my goals and stuff. But I will document that journey as well. And let's see how it goes.
So please
So I guess I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.